folks, it's me, and here I am, sat here on the floor in my back room. What I'm doing is harvesting batteries. These are just cheap as chips, £7, 6-cell laptop batteries, made in Chinesium of course. No brand, rechargeable. Says it's 5,200 milliampere hours. Believe that? Not. I've done a couple of these already, and the batteries are all marked. Was it 1,800 milliampere hour? I've been discharging them and charged them up again. Most of them will come out at around about 15 milliampere hours. Or is it that way? I don't know. Anyway, 15 milliampere hours. Probably that way, because I'm looking at the camera back to front. So yeah, and what am I doing this for? Well, I've got a complete set of these, and they have these batteries that go on the bottom, as you've all seen, like, but they're nicad and they're bollocks. I've ripped all the batteries out of these, it's just the top flapping about in there. So what I'm doing is building myself lithium ion batteries into this case. So, never done this sort of thing before, could be fun. These are the batteries that came out of it, nicad, full up like that. And they're 1.2 milliampere hour. So because they're all in series, because it's 18 volts, that's what you get, 1.2 milliampere hour in that load of batteries there. 18 of them. With these lithium ion ones, I've got these 5 here. I'm going to put them in series. I'll get more voltage than that one and more ampage than that in these 5 little batteries here. It's amazing how technology moves on, isn't it? So, should be fun. See how it goes. So, the way I get these batteries out is with a screwdriver. This here screwdriver. I'm not used to doing it at this angle and dangle. Anyway. And see, along there, around that bit there, down here, there's a lip. I've just got to prise it open. I found if you start around here on these things, it starts a lot easier. There we go. There you have it, a cell with batteries in it. And the way these work is you've got, well, the easy way, I'll take it out and show you. So, give it a twist like that to break the glue that's holding the batteries in. They come out. And they all come out joined up like this. We got here, this is called a balancing board. what it does, they join up between each cell, actually keep the charge and the voltages as balanced as possible. See, they're joined together with tabs, just there like that. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to snip the board off. We would want to try and avoid as well as shorting batteries out, because they'll go off with quite a pop, and they can actually damage their cells, which you don't want to do. Thing is, that one box cost me £6 odd. That means this one lithium cell is about £1.13, £1.16, something like that. I mean, even if they're not coming out at 1800 milliamps and 1500 milliamps actually on the thing, you can't complain at that. And no, all you got to do is just pull a box open. Anyway, I'm going to get on and make up these batteries for the drills. So these things come apart dead easy, just 4 screws. So I've got my bit from up the top. That's the bit that goes up in the tube here, goes up inside there, and it's the bit goes up in the battery into the drill. And easy way of laying these out: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shove a bit of foam on top, and that'll be okay. I've got to solder them together first, like, and I'll join some wires up. I'm going to make them go in series. But it's going to be an easy job making a battery up. I've got some wires here, which is going to be the balance cable. I'm not going to be, I can't use the balance boards that actually came with the original batteries, because they're only 3 cell. This is going to be 5 cell. I mean, you got 6 batteries, but they were wired in series parallel in the these battery banks. But it's easy. So anyway, I'm going to get this soldered up. Should be fun. So what I've done, made them into a series pack, 5 batteries. Should give me about 20 volts. And what I did was scavenge the earth wire here out of the normal mains cable, and I've used it to bridge the batteries, to solder the batteries together. It's all nice and serial. Get off. And actually works. I'm happy with that. I've got other bits and bobs to do, but I'll show you the finished article in a bit. Well, day 2, and I've got the battery packs all together. I've snot glued some compartments in there, so that will sit in there nicely. Get some foam or something to actually stop them rattling around so much. But yeah, we're going well. Got the other pack here as well. Come on, open. There we go. And got that one wired up on to the battery. I've had to do a bit of snot welding on it and stuff like that. Snot plastic welding to get it to stay in properly. But the problem is, when you chuck it in the battery, it pushes that bit down there. So I'm not sure yet how I'm going to resolve that. Maybe some snot glue down there, I don't know yet, but we'll see how that goes. The trouble is, I've stalled a bit now because I'm waiting for some more components to come. I've got a balance board coming and I think it's going to fit down in there, no problems. I've also got a sort of minder board as well, which gives you an LED display of how the batteries are looking, which I want to put there. And I'm thinking of using one of these, hole down there, to actually glue that in down there once I've cut down the sides, to actually charge it. But like I say, I'm stalled at the moment, waiting for components. I've actually moved on. I thought I was going to finish earlier on, but no, I've moved on. What I managed to do was I bodged this into the saw, managed to cut the top off this, and I opened the drill up, did some soldering inside, and I've got this lead hanging out here. And look, it goes, it goes. So what I've got to do now is bodge the saw to work like this. I've got more of these leads, like this here, so I can cut the top off this one to make that work the same. Excellent. I'll have working drills then. I can charge it through this piece here as well. And when balance boards come, I should hopefully be able to have room to put them in there. If not, I'll have to put a balance port on the side here somewhere and do the balancing off the normal charger. Right, here we go then. Female one on that end, where the ergs come out. Male one on the end there, where the ergs go in. Got the same on the drill. Look. Excellent. And I can charge it from there as well. Well, I think I will call this one a day now. So I'll be saying toodle-pip.